Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Trick. Little short video, part 2, to show you how you could make this bar look like it's going between the ribbons. Really easy, and if you didn't watch part 1, you'll be a little bit confused. But we're going to we'll just take a bar, and let's make it red. So this should definitely be going, the bar should be going in front, but here it needs to go behind it. So if you remember, that's one section, so we'll just go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Object, this was easy because there's only 4 of them, front of page. So that makes it look like, and this is a good example where this actually looks like it's going in a circle going around. And I don't know if you didn't watch the first one. This does not. It looks like the ribbon is just folded, which is a pretty cool effect. But by cutting out the different lines, this one actually looks like it's a spiral, like a drain in a sink would be running down a whirlpool of the water. It is a pretty cool effect. And if you had something to put in the middle of it, no matter how thick it is, no matter what it looks like, you just got to pick the ones you want to go to front. And there's a shortcut key for that, which is Control Home. I don't ever use it. Let's use it, Control Home. If I can find Home on my keyboard. See, that's probably why I don't use it. I don't have a Control Home. Maybe it's Control N. Oh, nope. Control Page Down. Nope, let's just move it. Anyway, you should be able to find so if we just go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and then just do every other one, it really makes it look like it's doing that. Like it's going behind the pole or the whatever other obstacle you had in the way. It's pretty cool because you can move this around and do whatever you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.